Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I will show you how to install the core edition of WxConfig NG. So what are we talking about today? WxConfig NG is the powerful configuration management solution for webMethods integration. It works with webMethods integration server and the microservices runtime alike. The core edition comes with a commercial license but is free of charge. And optionally, you can of course book a subscription support. It enables you to do distributed development, so you have as many developers as you want everywhere around the world, and they can work in any kind of environment, with containers or not, with a shared environment or a dedicated environment. All those details are abstracted away and hidden. You can do CI/CD, because also that requires configuration management. And of course, there's the elephant in the room, that is a cloud-native architecture and containers. And that is also a very good use case for configuration management. And without proper configuration management, it gets very difficult to do this. So let's do an installation and a quick demo. Here we are on my test environment, and I've already copied over the zip file to the replicate inbound directory of integration server so that we can start with the installation right away. I go to packages, install inbound release, the package is pre-selected, and I trigger the installation. That's it. Let me just refresh. And under solutions, we have WxConfig NG. As you can see, no valid license has been found, so the very first thing we need to do is to provide a license. I've already copied that into my clipboard and will paste it here. And here we go. And you can see that the display up here has been updated, so it's issued to my own company, IT department, and it's valid for 1 year. The next thing you want to adjust is the environment type. In our case, it is predefined already as development, and we can leave it with that. Otherwise, you can enter an arbitrary value here. So like something like test, UAT, prod, whatever you prefer. With that out of the way, let's start using it. You go to the packages menu, select a package that you want to enable for WxConfig NG. I have a leftover here package from another demo. I enable it, it appears, and I can click in there and see the default configuration file from WxConfig NG. If you have just a few values, it's absolutely fine to put them in here. Otherwise, you have the option to spread them out depending on your needs. But that's an advanced topic and not something for today. So, let me provide those two values here and save the changes. Now let's make use of those values. Here's my test package. I create a dummy service, and then we need a service from WxConfig NG. To provide the value. Key is key. Let's save and run. And here you can see that we have successfully retrieved the key. Now let's do something a little bit more exciting, and that is a secret. First, I switch back to the web UI and adjust the file. The syntax looks very similar to the WxConfig classic one, except that the keyword is not encrypted value anymore or encrypted, but just secret. That term has been established as an industry standard in the years since WxConfig was first developed, and I have decided to go with that and just call it secret. For those who are using WxConfig classic and want to move to WxConfig NG, there will be migration support for this. But that's just a side note. So now we have the secret defined here. I save it. And then I can go to secrets, and I can see here that the handle pass WD has appeared, and I can define the password now, and I will go for ABC. And now we can retrieve that value simply like any other one in the flow service and see that things work. So I'm switching back to Designer and adjust my service here. And we can see that the password has been retrieved successfully. So that's it for today. I hope you've liked this video, and if you are interested in other content like this, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you very much and have a great day.